give you guys all the college must-have essentials that a lot of students typically tend to forget, whether you have a shared dorm room or if you have your own dorm room or if you have a college apartment to yourself. I've always been the roommate or so that people be like, dang girl, you have everything. Like, yes, I make sure I'm prepared in everything when it comes to school, so I want to make sure you guys prepared. So get your notebooks out and let's take some notes. And as always, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. I'm not gonna get into like the things that obviously you might know, like obviously everyone knows you need pillows and a comforter. I'm just gonna get into the things that most people typically forget. Starting with the first one, mattress topper. Like a mattress topper is gonna add that comfort that you need. Dorm beds, regular beds, like they're not that comfortable. A mattress topper is gonna give you that comfort, and you need your sleep. You need your beauty rest. So get a mattress topper. For my freshman year, I had a 4-inch mattress topper. I got it from Walmart, but you can also get them from Amazon now, and these will come clutch for you. Trust me, you can get a 2-inch, a 1-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, whatever you want or whatever you can afford, but they're all like very, very useful. A laundry or hamper is definitely so useful. Just put all your dirty clothes or the clothes that you've wore, so that way you can just carry it all and go take it to the laundry room. But someone recently just put me onto the laundry hamper book bag. So literally you'll put all your stuff in there, and then you can put your dish detergent or your Tide Pods or whatever. You put it on your back, and it'll make those trips to the laundry room so much easier. So I definitely recommend that. Y'all, storage bins are a absolutely essential. Like these will definitely save you a lot of space. This will keep you organized, and I feel like you can never have too much. I had so many, and I was able to make a use of it in so many ways. Like when I say you could just be organized, you could put stuff, you could put clothes in there, you can put some, all of you, just so much you could put in there. Like I could talk about storage bins all the time. They are definitely a holy grail. For example, I had too many, and one of my roommates, she was like, oh, can I use one? And I was like, oh, what'd you use it for? And you know what she said? She said she used it as a snack bin, which is so smart. Which brings me to my next one. Have a snack bin or a snack drawer. Have a little snack drawer, or just use like how my roommate did and how I started using it is just use a storage bin for like little snacks. So I will put it like under my bed or put it in a drawer, or I'm able to pull it out for those late night snack bites. And I will also use it as incentive, like when I'm finished studying, then you know I get to treat myself to a snack, and it'll save you those trips to have to go all the way to the kitchen or wherever. I highly recommend a long mirror. I know people use the little small mirror, and then some people use the little square mirror or the bathroom mirror or whatever, but you want to have a long mirror in your room where you can check your full fit before you head out. I remember my roommate didn't have a long mirror, and it was so irritating going to her place to get ready and we cannot see how we really look from head to toe. So have one of those is going to be essential. And when I had a long mirror in my room, she would always be in my room knocking on my door like, can I use your mirror? Like, girl, get one. But yeah, she can. Make sure you get a bedside table. If your room, your dorm doesn't already come with a bedside table, I highly recommend getting one. If you don't want to get like a expensive one, there are cheap ones. There's ones made out of plastic. You can get it from Walmart, you can get it from Amazon. I also have the fabric drawers that look like this. That's like $10 or $11. It's definitely a game changer to keep like your water, your phone charge, or any of your nighttime essentials, your pills or whatever, close to you while you're sleeping. You can just reach over and it's just right there. Definitely an essential to get. The lamp is going to be great, so it can brighten your room with your light as an added light, or also to help with late night studying. Or if you don't want to bother your roommate, say if you guys share a room, you know, you can have your lamp on while the main light is not on. Get your lamp. I got my lamp from Walmart, and I've actually had it for years, like literally years. It's like never died. I don't know what it is with that, but it's energy saving and it's great. Don't sleep on desk drawer organizers. It doesn't matter how you buy it, if it comes in a pack or if it comes like as a full set, but I feel like these are essentials to use. It's going to keep everything organized, your pens, pencils, staplers, everything's going to keep everything organized in your desk or on top of your desk. And I feel like you should use it. You just want to be organized so you can focus on what's important and not have to look for this, look for that, or see where this is and all that stuff. I recommend a shoe rack. It's gonna save you some space. You guys can get the ones that are on your floor so you don't have to put your shoes on the floor, but I also like the over the door or the hanger shoe rack because I'm able to put like my slides or my flats or my flip-flops or whatnot in those and just hang it right up, and it saves a lot of space. A cozy blanket is always going to make your room feel like home, and it's going to add warmth to your room. There's a bunch of ways that you can decorate on your bed to make it look more Pinterest inspired as well, but also say if it's cold when winter comes and your friends or whatever want to sit on your bed and they feel cold, you can also give them this blanket instead of them having to get under your covers. They could just use this blanket, so I recommend that. I recommend a chair pillow. I'm actually using one. You can use it for your chair or use it for your bag. I got this from Five and Below. but I also have one in my storefront. Everything that I'm listing out, you can also find in my storefront. So make sure you check that out in the description box. But yeah, you can use it for your buttocks, or you can use it for your back so you're comfortable while you're studying or just sitting down. Always have some AA or AAA batteries on hand. You literally never know when you're going to use them. The reason you always have a backup for like your remotes or clocks, gadgets, whatever you need them for. You'll always just have them on standby, so you don't have to feel like you got to run to the store, access this person. Like, do you have a remote? Do you have this? Do you have some batteries? And also think about that stuff that you might have to ask your roommate. Like, think about it now. Like, that's an essential that you're going to need, so you don't have to be going around asking people or borrowing stuff, or have to make a trip to the store, have to get an Uber to the store, or whatever. Get you a power surge / extension cord, because sometimes outlets are scarce, and for some reason outlets are sometimes never where you need them, especially if you're rearranging your whole dorm room or your bedroom. The main outlet by your bed might be all the way over there, so go ahead and get your extension cord or a power surge so you're able to charge everything that you need near you, and you can charge a lot of things at once, whether it be your laptop charger, your phone charger, your Apple Watch charger, camera charger, whatever you need all at the same time. And I also recommend a tablet, iPad, or iPhone stand. This is the one that I use. I got mine on Amazon. I absolutely love it. I can raise it as high as I want it or as low as I want it. Some of my online classes, I literally will place my iPad here so that it's facing me and it's very sturdy. Or if you want to watch something or using your phone, I usually just put my phone like right there and it literally stands here. Or if I want to turn it like here, you put your tablet, whatever you need. So I recommend that to put on your desk. Next is a mini fan or a mini heater, so that way no matter what the weather, you can stay comfortable and you can be able to control the weather of your room temperature, or whatever you want to call it. Think of it as your personal climate control. So if you are sharing a bedroom, or you might have a room with no ceiling fan, at least you'll have your own fan and you can get a mini one. Now when it gets cold, I always have my little portable heater. It's literally this small. It looks like this, and I was able to just it was so powerful, y'all. When I was freezing my butt off, this was so helpful. It warmed up my whole entire room. And when I was cold, I had a small one as well, so it can cool the entire room. A mini fridge is clutch for keeping your drinks or your snacks, close by without having to leave your room. So definitely get you one of those. You can get it as small as you want or a little bit as big as you want, as long as a mini fridge. Some are on sale, some are Amazon, Walmart, so make sure you get you one of those. Get you a candle or like a Glade diffuser. So I love these little plugins because it's going to make your room smell more inviting, more welcoming, and it's going to smell good. So whenever someone wants to come in your room, they're always going to like say, your room smell good, like period. They go a long way with making your room smell great. Okay, and you want your room to smell great. You want your room to smell as good as it looks. Last thing before we go to bathroom essentials, I want to recommend card games. I say get like your own card game or whatever you might have. This is a great way to make friends and bond. So say for example your friends are hanging in your room, you can just have a card game to just play a quick little game. And I just found it useful to just get to know people, to build more bonds, because you guys are actually hanging out playing games. And there's also been certain events or little kickbacks or hangouts where somebody will be like, all right, bring your own game, so we all put our games together and play. And there's been times where I didn't have any games to bring, so I say bring like a card game, whatever card game, just to have, but that is definitely optional, not necessary. For bathroom essentials for your college or your dorm, I definitely recommend a robe. Now a robe is good for after showers or when you want to lounge between classes. It's definitely good for that. Also when somebody has knocked on the door and I'm like, hold on, I don't have no clothes on, I had to grab a robe real quick. So get your robe. A shower caddy is another essential because it's going to keep all of your bathroom essentials together. It's going to keep everything organized and it's going to be easy to carry, especially if you're sharing a bathroom. You can just get your shower caddy with everything in it and take it to the bathroom with you, and then you can take it right back out. Quick story time. I was sharing a bathroom with one of my dorm mates, and I wanted to decorate the shower, so I put some of my stuff there. Of course I have my shower caddy with just a little bit of stuff there, but my main essentials, I literally had it in the shower. And I was wondering every day, like, my bar soap was getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and I was just so confused. So I asked my roommate, like, she basically confessed like she was using my bar soap as well. I was like, so since then I was like, yeah, shower caddy. Everything, all of my stuff is going to a shower caddy. So if you're in a shared bathroom, definitely use a shower caddy. If you have your own bathroom, you're good. A toothbrush cover is also kind of cool to use. I feel like it's a way to stay hygienic and also keep your toothbrush clean, especially in shared bathrooms. Not saying that your roommate is gonna take your toothbrush and scrub something with it. I'm just saying, like, if you wanted to just for extra safety. Disinfectant wipes is also key. I just feel like when I first get there in a dorm or when I get to an apartment or whatever, I just want to wipe everything down, but I also keep these because they're very clutch to use. Keep surfaces clean and germ free. You can get them right from Dollar Tree or wherever you need to get it from. Don't forget your basic cleaning supplies. You want to keep things fresh and tidy, whether you are scrubbing the toilet. So if you need the toilet brush with toilet brush bowl, and you might need something to clean the bathtub, whether you and your dorm mate are taking turns or it might be your own bathroom. You want to keep it clean and everything, so make sure you are bringing a rag or whatever you might need to clean. I also made sure I was packing like Awesome. I love Awesome. Ajax for like the shower and stuff like that. I was also packing like some bleach or like a cleaner spray bleach, a spot remover, just all that stuff to just make sure everything is kept clean and tidy. And with that, also make sure you bring your detergent, whether you use Tide Pods or whatnot. Have your own. A towel hook will keep your towels dry and properly organized. So you can get the hook, you can get it from Dollar Tree or wherever you need. You just put it over your door, or you can get the one that sticks to your wall so you can hang up your towel. And I also have one for like my towel when I wash my hands and then I need to like dry it, so a hand drying towel as well. You can just place that on a hook. With that, you also want to have an air freshener, so after you're finished using the restroom, you can have it smelling fresh and good, especially if somebody's about to go right back in it. So just have an air freshener. I'd highly recommend a bigger trash can. I know we all love these little cute little trash cans and it's like this small or whatever, but it's just like, oh my gosh, I've literally had to throw stuff away and then I have to take out my trash like every like other day or so. When you can have a bigger trash can so you can put more stuff, so that will save you like a lot of trips to have to go dump it into a big old garbage. Last but not least is also a mini iron or like a mini steamer. They do have these mini ones if you don't want to get the big ones, but the big ones are also cheap to get as well. I say get this for like your wrinkled clothes. I know people or adults are saying that we are like the generation who doesn't even care if our clothes are wrinkled or not or whatever, but sometimes for certain events or certain things you might want to have it a little bit wrinkle free, so definitely have one of those. And that is it for my college essentials, for things that most people forget. So I hope that this helped. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to the next person that you think might need this or who's about to move into their dorm or college apartment. Good luck this semester or school year, and make sure you tune into my other videos. Bye, besties.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.